What's up, people? I'm back. We're talking today about fox hunting, steeplechasing, the oldest resort and inn in the country. I'm talking about Middleburg, Virginia today. Let's go! What's up, everybody? Muoki Musau here. I'm a realtor in Leesburg, Virginia, here to give it to you real raw. Always abiding by fair housing law. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. So glad to have you. If you've been here before, get your popcorn ready. We're gonna get started in just 1 second. I want to remind you that your phone is your friend. Phones are updated, so if it's an iPhone, it's your best friend. You got my phone number, my email here below. Go ahead and reach out to me anytime, any way you want to. I will take care of you thinking of moving to Leesburg, Virginia, or Loudoun County, or really anywhere in Northern Virginia. I got your back. Guys, I've been on vacation. Went out to Florida with my family, get some rays, get some family time, a couple margaritas, but now I'm back. We're talking about Middleburg, Virginia. Now, Middleburg is out there. It's about 45 miles outside of DC, and Route 50, US Route 50, is the only major road that services that part of the state. It's described as a sparse suburb, which means that ain't nobody gonna be close to you if you live there, right? So you got neighbors that are not right across the street. You can't throw your sugar container from one house to the next. You're probably gonna have to take a four-wheeler out to your next door neighbor. But it's a great place to live. It's historically known for fox hunting and for steeplechasing, two sports that up until now I have no idea how you even do that. I've heard of skeet shooting, but I've heard of hunting, but I ain't never heard of fox hunting. Anyway, it's not about me. It's about Middleburg. That's what it was known for in the past. In fact, it has a strong connection to its fox hunting tradition. Middleburg, Virginia is situated in what is called Virginia's Hunt Country. It's a section in the that borders around Loudoun County, Clark County, Fauquier County, and it's right around the Rappahannock region, known for its rolling hillsides, farmlands, wineries, and this area has homes that are sought after for their for exactly that, the equestrian sports. Some of these properties range all the way up to 1,000 acres. So it's definitely a niche area in terms that people that live in a place like Middleburg are going there for a particular reason. But even if you don't live there, Middleburg is a great weekend getaway. I mean, it's 45 miles outside of DC. It's not too far away. It's a great place to get out on the weekend, learn some more history about Virginia, about this country, get to see a place that has a lot of character and a lot of, like the youngins say today, good vibes. In fact, there have been dignitaries, US presidents even, that have had secondary residence in Middleburg, Virginia. And I tell you what, y'all remember a young girl by the name of Rudy Huxtable. Well, not Rudy Huxtable, but the actress Keisha Pelham, went to the Foxcroft School in Middleburg, Virginia, boarding school for girls, yearly tuition of about $57,000. Anyways, that's not important. And speaking of history, the Red Fox Tavern and Inn is the oldest resort and inn in the United States, still in operation. Established around 1728. You know what was not happening in 1728? Boston Tea Party. Ain't nobody this place is older than the Revolutionary War. And in fact, Middleburg was founded by by a general who would later fight in the Revolutionary War. So this place is old, or as they like say in some places, old as the hills. So you get to experience not just by just looking and not like, look but don't touch. You actually get to taste and enjoy the history of this country in person, and actually participating in the services and providing great revenue for the town. Now, If you want to do equestrian sports, you need two basic things: a lot of land and a lot of money. The property values in Middleburg, estimated home value is about 613,000. The average list price is 995,000. Pause your brakes. Seems like a lot, but the average sale price is 687,000. Well, there's a property on the market now, namely 34627 Atoka Chase Lane, that's listed for $4.5 million. So that kind of skews the numbers a little bit, but property values are expecting to pay maybe not expecting, but an average of close to $700,000 for a sale is right on the money. Property values have increased over 20% in the last 24 months. It's a hot market. Everybody says hot market. Well, here are the numbers that tell you how and why. So Middleburg is popping. Now that Virginia has also lifted COVID-19 restrictions, there is expected to be a good return to life in a new normal, not forgetting the past, but in a way that we can enjoy even more what Middleburg has to offer: an increase in tourism, increase in activities outdoors, and being able just to enjoy one another's company without having to wear masks on our faces, and also with our health and safety properly taken care of. Okay, people, that's all I got. In fact, I might even take a trip out to Middleburg here in a couple weeks and bring my little trusty camera and bring y'all with me. So until then, guys, have fun. I appreciate y'all. Hey, remember, your phone is your friend. You got all my information here below. You know how to get a hold of me. Call me, text me, email me. Whatever you want to do, I got your back if you're thinking of moving around here anywhere near Leesburg, Loudoun, or North Virginia. If this video was helpful for you or anybody you know, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like this video. Follow the team if you want to join us. Comment below if I've missed anything, misrepresented anything. I do not want to make this channel about me. I want to make it about you. And the more I can improve and make it better for you, the better experience we'll all have. That's all I got, guys. Muoki Musau here. From me to you, it's always fun. Until next time, take care.